Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a category in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into Expensify, come here in the left hand panel, click on workspaces, and then just select the workspace you'd like to add a category to. So we'll select this one right here. Then I want you to scroll down from this list of options, click on more features, and actually toggle on categories first. So make sure it's toggled on. And now that it's toggled on, you'll see this option right here. Click on categories. And to add a category, all you need to do is come to the top right, click on this green plus icon where it says add a category. And then you just need to go ahead and name your category. Let's say apparel. Okay. And let's click on save. Now, as soon as you do that, as you can see, we have this category, and make sure it's actually enabled. Okay. It's toggled on. And that is how you add a category in Expensify.